How to add music to Instagram notes on laptop. Want to make your Instagram notes more fun? Here's how to add music to your notes using the Instagram website on your laptop. So go ahead and open up Instagram on your browser and then go ahead and hover your mouse at the left side of your screen and then select messages. In here, you'd be able to create your own personal notes. So select on the new note, and in here you can go ahead and enter your note. So currently, the music feature is not yet available on the website version of Instagram. You can only do it on your mobile device by opening up Instagram, heading over into the messages tab, and then creating a new note from there, and then selecting the music of your preference. And that is how you can basically add music to Instagram notes on laptop.